Now imagine this. You're standing in an open field, the sky is clear, and with just one tap, a camera lifts off into the air and starts capturing cinematic shots like something straight out of a movie. Sounds expensive, right? That's exactly what I thought, until I came across a drone that completely flipped that idea. I'm talking about a drone that promises 4K video, solid flight performance, and beginner-friendly controls, all at a price that doesn't make your wallet cry. But here's the real question. Does it actually deliver, or is it just another overhyped budget gadget? So today, we're putting it to the test. This is the DJI Mini 4K, and if you're thinking about getting your first drone in 2025, you'll want to watch this till the end. Let's start with what makes this drone interesting. Right out of the box, it feels compact, lightweight, and surprisingly well built. It falls under that under 249 gram category, which means fewer restrictions in many regions, making it perfect for beginners who just want to fly without dealing with complicated rules. Now, when it comes to performance, this thing is no joke for its price. You're getting up to around 30 minutes of flight time on paper, but in real-world use, expect somewhere between 20 to 25 minutes, which is still pretty solid. The drone is stable in the air, even in moderate wind conditions, and it gives you enough confidence to actually enjoy flying instead of constantly worrying about crashing. Speed-wise, it's quick enough to feel exciting, but not too fast that it becomes uncontrollable, and that balance is exactly what beginners need. But let's talk about the real highlight, the camera. This drone shoots in 4K at 30 frames per second, and honestly, for the price, the quality is impressive. The footage comes out sharp, detailed, and more than usable for YouTube, social media, or even basic cinematic projects. It also supports different resolutions and frame rates, giving you flexibility depending on how you want your shots to look. And if you're someone who enjoys editing, you'll appreciate the decent bitrate and the option to shoot in RAW for photos. That means more control when you're tweaking colors and details later. Now, controlling the drone is simple and intuitive. You connect your phone to the controller, open the app, and you're ready to go. The controls feel natural, even if you've never flown a drone before. There are different modes too, like normal mode for smooth flying, cinematic mode for those slow, buttery shots, and sport mode when you want speed and excitement. Switching between them changes the entire feel of the drone, which is actually pretty fun. There's also a return to home feature, which is a lifesaver. If you ever lose sight of the drone or get nervous, one button brings it back safely. Of course, it's not perfect. There are no obstacle avoidance sensors, so you need to be careful while flying, especially around trees, buildings, or water. This isn't a drone that will save you from mistakes. You have to stay in control. Also, quick shots are fun, but they're limited in quality compared to manual shooting, so if you're serious about content, you'll mostly rely on flying it yourself. But here's the thing. That's actually part of the appeal. This drone isn't trying to do everything for you. It's designed to help you learn, improve, and actually enjoy the process of flying, and that's what makes it such a great beginner option. So, should you buy it? If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and capable first drone that gives you real control and solid 4K footage, then yes, this is absolutely worth it. It's not just a budget drone. It's an entry point into aerial filmmaking, and once you start flying, trust me, you won't want to stop. Drone Dominator.